Good evening everyone. Hi, I'm back again with our next video. This video will cover your details about car insurance. The most important part about car insurance or vehicle insurance, what you people normally call four-wheeler insurance, is that it covers some important points. Like first point I would like to reiterate, that is IDV. It is basically what you call the market price of the car. The higher the IDV, the higher the premium. You might have this question whether you can increase the IDV or not. Yes, you can increase the IDV from the previous policy which you have got. From that policy, to a certain extent, you can increase the IDV value. But the premium also will increase as you increase the IDV value. You can choose maximum IDV, you can choose minimum IDV, or you can choose the same IDV which was there in your previous policy. The next point, car insurance is very important. The extra benefits which you can take. Driving your vehicle, if it is driven by a driver, you should always go for liability insurance for the driver also. Let's give an example. Like if suppose a driver is driving your car and he meets up with an accident where he hits a stall or a roadside vehicle or some what you call a cart or anything, the legal formalities also will involve huge cost. So to cover that part of the legal formalities, you have a provision in the insurance which you can opt in. The amount might not be so huge, but that will cover all those expenses which you might incur if such a situation happens. The next thing which I would like to add on this, there are other benefits like key coverage. If you lose your car key, or if it is stolen or it got damaged, that time also you can get the coverage from the insurance. Then the next point, it comes your various other benefits like called pay as drive, PAYD, pay as you drive. You can opt for that also. This is a very new concept. How many kilometers you are driving, based on that much premium you will be paying. And apart from that, there are other factors like the claim ratio for which you are choosing. And also, you have to check one more thing for car insurance also, as I mentioned in my previous video, that you should always take at least 3, 4 or 5 quotations from your agent, because they might give you only one quotation and tell, yeah, this is the amount of premium you have to pay, but you have to check. So which is the company which is giving the claim ratio is good, faster claim process, quick dispersal, because in the case of a car insurance, the car will go to a service center or a garage. That garage should be having a cashless facility. If the garage doesn't have the cashless facility, then you have to pay from your pocket, then claim for the reimbursement. That's a very big process. And what happens in case of reimbursement? Normally, company don't pay the full amount in case of reimbursement. That I have seen in many of my customers also. So I'll always see the number of garages or service centers which are empaneled with that company, with that car model, with car brand also. That is also very important. So these are some of the topics I wanted to cover in this video. So there are many things which we can discuss further. So if you like my video, if you have any comments or anything, you can just send it across to me. I'll be ready to answer any of your queries. Thank you very much.